ClickUp tutorial, how to use ClickUp CRM review step-by-step 2024. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking in great detail and depth about ClickUp and how you're supposed to use it in the easiest and most simplest way. So to start things off, what we are going to be doing is we're going to come over to clickup.com. Now, this is my account. It's logged in, and you can see a good preview of dashboard. Okay. Now, first of all, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna sign up with it. Okay. So I'm gonna right click up over here, and we're gonna go into the main account center. Okay. So here it brings us to ClickUp's basic app, right? Now, the thing about ClickUp is that you can create an account using any email, okay? May it be your Gmail, may it be your Hotmail, whatever email you have. You can even be using your Apple ID. I'm going to be using an email. So you're simply going to come here and sign up with it, okay? And once we do this, what we're going to want to do is add in a password. And once you click on next, it's going to start creating your account. So you're going to click on play with ClickUp and you're good to go. Now over here, let's also open up ClickUp's pricings, okay? And write ClickUp pricing because ClickUp's pricings are pretty decent and it's a good run for its features as well. So ClickUp normally has 4 plans. So there's the free plan, which is pretty incredible because not a lot of project management softwares that exist give you a free plan, okay? Most of them, what they do is they go ahead and they give you you could say, free trials, but very less free plans. And that's the recurring issue when it comes to project management softwares. Like, you can use them for a short amount of, not even short, like they give you a free trial for like 14 days, maybe 30 days. So that's a pretty good and decent time to have these things for yourself. But at the same time, all the work you do and all the work you have compiled up all probably will be lost at one point. So that's the you could say recurring cause of losing your data. So we're gonna go with the free trial, and as you can see, it sent my email a verification code, so I'm gonna verify that up. You can also go ahead and see that each plan has different features to it. Even the free plan, you get 100 megabytes of storage, unlimited tasks to add, unlimited members. You get two-factor authentications. You get collaborative docs, whiteboards, everything view, real-time chats, Kanban boards, spirit management or sprint management, calendar views, and a whole lot more. So, pretty incredible stuff in just the free plan, but you can get a whole lot more in the unlimited and business plans as well. So I'm going to come up over here, and once we're over here, it says welcome. Tell us the name of your workspace. So you're going to enter in any name. Then it says choose your apps. What apps do you want? So, docs. Yeah, sure. I could use docs, dashboards, sure. Whiteboards. Obviously, if you want to bring your team ideas to life, you can do that. What's your department? IT, engineering, etc. I'm going to go into IT. Then it says how many people. I'm going to go with 11. Invite people to your workspace. You can skip this, but if you want to, you can go with that. And then it says, do you use any of these tools to, potentially import your work? So you can import from Asana, Trello, Monday, Rike, Todoist, Basecamp, Jira, Excel, whatever you want. I'm going to skip that and come here. How did you hear about us? Just go with anything random. And then it says complete your first project. What would you like to manage? So there's task managements, there's project management, and then there's ticket managements. I'm going to go with project management. And then it says name your projects. I'm going to skip this and go with next, go with next again. And I'm going to click on play with ClickUp. So this takes us into the actual working repertoire of ClickUp. And this is where we're actually, as it says, we're going to be playing with ClickUp. So here we are. And to start things off, to knock everything out of the park, first of all, you have the projects section. So in the project section, you see these things. So you have your first project. You can actually change the name. So let's say I'm going to call it new application. That's what we're calling it. There we go. Then once we call a new application, then you have this. So this is the priority list. So let's say in to do, we have these projects. Then you can add even more. So I'm going to stay here. Now, this is one list. You can add in more tasks into this list. So a new application, I'm going to add a task called, or we're going to add, you can add a task one by one in this, but what if you want to create a new priority list? Right now this one is called to do, but I'm gonna call this planning, and this list only. I'm gonna create another one. Okay, and we are quickly gonna go ahead and call that one design. So this is basically how you are going to be adding different lists in different columns. And moving on, you can also go ahead and name these things. So in planning, let's go ahead and write decide what code to use for mobile app. And we're going to write that, and then you can obviously change the description. So write something for the people that are actually going to be seeing this. So you can write access the VS Code portal and create a well used app for mobile users or something like that. So you can do this, and then you can even add subtasks for people to complete. So basically in this one task you create subtasks, and once those subtasks are complete, this one whole task is completed. So you get what I mean. You get the concept I'm trying to go with it over here. So once you've done that, you can save it, and you're going to see that, look at that, the name is changed now. You can also assign different people to this. Okay, so assign anyone in your workspace. Let's say I'm going to assign myself. You can add in due dates. You can also set priorities. It could be urgent, it could be high, it could be normal. Then you have statuses. Let's say I'm going to go with needs review on this, and you can go on and on. So you can see that I can actually change the priorities for these. So we can go from planning. I can call this one design. There we go. And we could call this one integration, or maybe you know anything else. Anything that works well with your workspace. Like the naming that you're going to add totally depends on the type of workspace algorithm you want to follow. Depends on the type of workspace, you could say, working you want to follow. Okay, these are the type of things that you're going to want to have when you're using ClickUp. Then moving on, in ClickUp, you also have different views that you can add. So right now we're in the list view, but you can go with board view, calendar, then you have Gantt, timeline, team, table, mind map, workload, activity, map, and a whole lot more. So let's say I'm going to switch to a board view, and I'm going to click on add board. And once we do that, look at this, planning, design, integration, and you can actually switch these around. And like my favorite is the board view, just because of how easy it is to use it, how easy it is to spread things around the whole workspace. So yeah, that's the basic idea of how we are supposed to be using ClickUp for ourselves. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel. Please do make sure to check out the pricings as well. Like the free plan is good, but you can go with upper plans as well, which might be better for you. So that's pretty much about it. Now, if you enjoyed the video, again, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, share it around with other people that might need help with tutorials like this. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I will be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.